We are going to discuss next point of homomorphism normal subgroup. Okay, so normal subgroup. Okay, normal subgroup. So how to when subgroup is normal? Okay, when subgroup is normal, if for all G belongs to G such that if suppose that G is a group and H is subgroup of G. Okay, if G is a group and H is subgroup of G and H is said to be normal subgroup if H inverse or sorry G inverse belongs to H. So definition: a subgroup, normal subgroup, or subgroup H of G, a subgroup H of G, a subgroup H of G. Okay, a subgroup H of G is said to be normal subgroup, is said to be normal subgroup of G, is said to be normal subgroup of G if its left cosets and right cosets are same. If its left coset and right coset, left coset and right cosets are coincide or same. Okay, so that is left and right coset same means Hg equal to Gh. Okay, Hg equal to Gs. This is right coset and this is left coset. Okay, for all G belongs to G. This is very important condition. Okay, for all G, for each G belongs to G, left coset and right coset are same, then given subgroup is normal subgroup of G. That is we say that H is normal subgroup of G. H is normal subgroup of G. H is normal subgroup of G if normal subgroup of G if G inverse belongs to H. If G inverse belongs to H, for all G belongs to given group G and H belongs to subgroup H. Okay, this is very important condition. Okay, so example on that definition. Okay, example, let G equal to was an integer set 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay, if we choosing this group G equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I, each group under multiplication is group with respect to multiplication and H equal to suppose that 1 and minus 1. This is subgroup of G. Okay, this is subgroup of G, 1 and minus 1. Then show that H is normal subgroup of G, Okay, so how to proving this using this definition? Suppose let G equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay, and H equal to 1 minus 1. Only to show that choose one G is in this form and multiply this element, we get an answer. G inverse belongs to H, then H is subgroup of G. Okay, so let G equal to 1, then G inverse also equal to inverse of G is 1. Okay, then which implies that GH G inverse equal to GH G inverse equal to 1 here 1 into their value, suppose GH G inverse, okay, GH G inverse where H belongs to this set, okay, GH G inverse equal to GH G inverse equal to 1 into H equal to 1, then their inverse 1, this is 1, their value is 1, and this is also belongs to in H, means 1 if G equal to 1, then 1 into 1 into 1, here this is H, okay, this value is H, small h means elements of H, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 belongs to H. Similarly if H equal to minus 1, then GH G inverse equal to 1 into minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1, and this is also belongs to in H for this value. Again if G equal to minus 1, then GH G inverse also equal to this is their value is 1 and minus 1, and this also belongs to in H, okay, 1 and 1. If H equal to 1, then their value is 1 minus 1 as inverse is minus 1 again, okay, then minus 1 means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, and here 1, okay, this value also must be in H. Then if G equal to I, then inverse of G is minus I, okay, inverse of G is minus I, so G into GH G inverse equal to, if suppose H equal to 1, then and G equal to I, then I into 1 into minus I, their minus I, their value is I into minus I is I into their value is 1, because I into I square value is minus 1, and this minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 into minus 1 equal to 1, okay, and 1 belongs to in H, and if H equal to minus 1, okay, if H equal to minus 1, then their value is I into minus 1 into minus I, because inverse G inverse is minus I, okay, so their value is minus 1, this is also belongs to in H, okay. And similarly for G equal to minus I, same value is GH G inverse, means left GH G inverse, okay, same value GH G inverse equal to 1 and minus I, and this is belongs to in H, and therefore for all G belongs to G, GH G inverse belongs to H, okay, so therefore H is normal subgroup of G, that is H is normal subgroup of G, or to show that left coset and right cosets are same, okay, or to show that left coset and right coset are same, okay. Let A equal to 1, this is belongs to G, then 1 into H equal to H itself, okay, their left and right cosets are also found in previous lecture, okay, and H into 1, this is also equal to H, means for value 1, this 1 belongs to G, 1H means left coset equal to right coset, okay, and therefore one similarly for A equal to minus 1, minus 1 into H equal to H itself, okay, minus 1 equal to H, their value is H itself, and their value H into minus 1, okay, left and right coset have same value is H, okay, so left and right coset are same for 1 and minus 1. Similarly for I, For I, how to finding h into I equal to I and minus I. Okay, I into 1, h here h equal to 1 and minus 1. I into 1, their value is I, and I into minus 1, their value is minus I. Okay, and I into left, similarly left coset is I into h is I and minus I, means h I and I h, this left coset and right coset are same. Okay, similarly for minus I, minus I h equal to h of minus I. Okay, therefore for each value of g, therefore for all g belongs to, therefore for all g belongs to gh equal to hg, means left coset equal to right coset, and therefore h is normal subgroup, of g. Okay, therefore h is normal subgroup of